Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly Sips by unboxing. This is a tea subscription and these are my April teas. So you get a card, tells you everything that's inside and additional information about them, including steep times and caffeine levels. And if you get loose leaf tea, then you get these little baggies that you can fill up that I love. So some of those. And the first one, King's Light. So these are already in baggies, so there's 4 of those anytime you get individual bags of tea. And this is black tea with an herbal infusion. Pretty cool packaging. A little peek through window so you can see it in the back. Also have some loose leaf tea, which is right here. Chez Lulu, maybe how you say it. This has chocolate flakes, cocoa butter, splits, cinnamon, apple bits, caramel bits, almond bits. I bet that is really good. Then we have some more individually wrapped ones. There should be another one. Miracle Tree. This is honey and vanilla. That sounds really good. It's organic. And then the last one is more loose leaf tea. Steep Society. Just holding a little Sips by box. That's cute. Oh, cool. So this is by the people who started the subscription. This is green tea with spearmint. And I'll show you the card again real quick. So I did get a variety of different teas and caffeine levels. So your box could be different because you do fill out a little survey telling them what kind of tea you like and don't like. So if you guys are interested, I will link all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.